What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and we got another amazing video coming up for you right now. Guess what? We're going to be talking about these new Sonys. Well, that's not totally true. They're new to me, but these are going to be the WH-1000XM4 Sony over-the-ear headphones. I'm going to give you guys, as usual, the unboxing. We're going to talk about some things as we're doing that. And then after that, I'll give you kind of my first impressions on the headphones. And then you can really just make your own educated decision and see if you want to pick these up or not. Let's go. So they talk about their easy setup. Easy setup. One, download the app. Two, power on your headphones. It's a nice presentation. Take the headphones out of the frame for a second. Okay. Free trial to the audio there. Then we've got, some normal paperwork. Looks like we've got the Sony limited warranty, 1 year, and then our booklet, headset booklet, headphones connect, and so on. So just some paperwork, nothing fancy. Put that back in here. Let's take that out. Let's come to what we really are interested on, these right here. Nice hard case. These are actually pretty nice. Little travel case. Ooh, very nice soft interior. So I think this is a big win for Sony, and another big win for Bowers and Wilkinson. The headphones, very nice. Kind of curious if these are going to be fingerprint magnets or not. Set those to the side. Let's see what it comes with. So inside of the box, you're going to get headphone cable. Oh, this is pretty cool. You get a travel adapter for the plane. And then you're going to get your very short USB-A to USB-C cable. So all included, nice and neat in the packaging. And then let's take a look at the headphones. So bring these back in the frame right here. These do fold up and out of the way. They come down. These are really light. They feel very, I don't want to say cheap, but they feel really hollow, if that makes sense. On the bottom, we've got the USB-C, then we've got the headphone jack. You've got your power on button right there. This button that says custom, so I'm guessing you can do that to different things. Then your controls are gonna be on, I believe, this side, the swipe motion. So for the ear cushions, very, very, very soft. Headrest, the head portion is, not gonna lie, it feels kind of stiff. We'll have to see once we try them on, listen to some music, if they kind of break in. Maybe we've got the different headphones right there, and you got some minimal branding as well. I'm gonna try these on, off camera, see how these work, and then I'll let you know. The unboxing is done now. I've had a chance to use these, put them on my head, really listen to some of my favorite music. I'm going to go through and give you guys a couple of just really important things that I think that would be really crucial to you in making a decision for these headphones. Okay, I'll start with comfort. I know in the video that I mentioned that they were really lightweight. I kind of use the word hollow. Well, that's actually a really good benefit because you don't get that head fatigue from wearing these and listening to music for a while. Then I want to talk about the build quality. So the build quality on this actually is very solid. In my personal opinion, the controls are very easy to use, especially with those buttons on the side. You could actually use the app to build a sound profile that is going to be specific to your taste, which I really like, or they have the pre-built sound profiles in the app as well. The app's very easy to use, very easy to understand. Battery life, these are going to last you several days of use. Obviously on the box, you saw it's 30 hours rated.
I haven't tested that exactly, but it's gonna last you for many, many days of listening, and it's gonna be easy to charge. Let me tell you guys, just 100% honesty here, right? I did not want to like these headphones. I really didn't. And the reason why is because there's so many fanboys out there that love these headphones and like sing their praises all over YouTube and various different areas, but I love them. Like, these are my very favorite headphones. These are gonna be a close runner-up, if not slightly better than my AirPod Maxes. So that's it. And again, I want to petition to you guys. If you're watching this before 2024, I've got a goal. I want to hit 100 subscribers. I need every single one of your help. Comment, like, subscribe, share it with your friends and family. Help this channel to grow so we can become something great, like I know we can. And after that, if you're watching this in 2024, 25, 26, whatever year, go ahead, subscribe, share it, like, comment, because we're not stopping at 100 subscribers. I'm going for that 1,000, that million, that 100 million, okay? And I can't do it without your help. So let's get to it. Have a good day.